This is Odin's Wolf Survival, and today I'm going to make what I call a fat lamp. And this is from the bottom of a can. This is actually a small aluminum can. Any aluminum can will work. You can leave it whole, you can cut it off. For the sake of the video, I cut it off. Cotton ball, just take a piece, or you could use any cotton string or any sort of string that'll wick. You can do this with butter, Crisco, olive oil, any oil, fat. Just twist you up a string. Which will be the wick. We'll do a quarter twist on this one. And oil and fat won't wick very far. So the end of your wick, your flame, needs to be like right above the reservoir of the fat, because it won't pull it very far up the wick. You set it down in there. And like the old lamps, the earliest lamps were a divot or a bowl cup in a stone, and the wick was laid into it and up at the edge. And that's basically what we're doing here, except we're using a modern material. Any fat, this is canola oil, olive oil. Well, olive oil actually works better and smokes a lot less. But you put your fat in it and then soak it up a little bit. It'll soak up, and it's already wicked it up. Leave it hanging over the edge and light it. It may be a bit stubborn to get going, but once it does, it'll sit there and burn with a bit of a flame. It's like a small candle flame, usually not quite as much as a candle, but it'll burn for quite a length of time for what it is. It's fairly easy to make. Emergency as is. If you get the wick too long and whatnot, it can smoke. But there it is. I mean, we'll shut everything off and see how it is. That's the amount of light it puts out. I've actually used these before in a situation. I did a video where you make one out of an orange peel, or the orange skin, where you peel off half of it very carefully. It'll do this. You can use all kinds of things. This is just one thing that most people have. It's fairly easy to do. A little bit, like I said, butter, Crisco, olive oil, vegetable oil, anything along that line, and you can have a small light to, if you need it. Easy enough to make nearly anywhere you're at. Any bit of cord. I think jute and hemp will also work to pull this up. But there it is. And this is Odin's Wolf Survival. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and share it if you will. Have a great day, and thanks again for watching.